$4.79 for some petrol. $4.79. $5.09 for Supreme. Crazy. Well, it's Old Spoonie here. And a shower. Yep. Got my shower. Got clean clothes on. Nice dry socks. We're here in Dunsmuir right now. I got all my grub back together. And everything's dried up. So now we're heading out. Just waiting on the next train. Ow, yeah. Well, now, this is that spot. Yep. Here's where it is. Now, a good old buddy once said, thank you, George, jumping off the cliff. He once said, a good spot to get back on is exactly the same spot you got off. Now, I remember you saying that, George, and you know what? That has saved me a hell of a lot of walking. I sure appreciate your tips. You know what you're talking about. Well, look at this. Have y'all ever seen some beautiful stuff like this? I tell you, man, that sure is beauty. Sure is the beauty. Yep. Beautiful far as the eye can see. Sure is turning out to be a very nice trip. Spinach and beans. The Hobo Queen of Dunsmuir Wedding Train Tour 2021. Boy, I bet it was some good times. Yeah. I bet it was some good times. Nothing like a wedding train to make everything fucking sweet. Yep, that's nature right there. Pure nature. Now I know y'all know Johnny Ringo. Oh, Johnny Ringo. Yep. Well, now I gotta tell you, this is just a lovely spot. And it's a really, really, really nice spot to do some fishing and spend some time with the daughter. Yep, now she don't look like she's really into it. But Daddy here, oh, he's doing some fishing all right. He's all over the place. Hasn't pulled nothing out of there yet, but he sure is having a good time. Oh yeah, he got him one. First one I seen come out of there all day long. Oh yeah. Talking about fried catfish tonight, you know. Probably some trout or something, I don't know. It's just gonna be a catch and release. Oh yeah, catch and release here. This is me. Oh yeah. This is all me right here. We in the hole. Yeah, I'm finna pass through Dunsmuir. coming up on Shasta Lake and Redding, California. Shasta Lake and Redding, California. It is spectacular. Yes, it is. Alright, this is Anderson. We're coming up on Cooper and then Sacramento. It's my little hidey hole. Well, so the old conductor come over the intercom just to let us know he's going to take a quick pit stop so everybody can get off and take a piss. It's bullshit. It's all bullshit. But you got just 1 second to get on down, take your leak, and get back on. Coming up on Sacramento. And then we'll try to shoot on over to Reno if I make that connection. If not, it's on down to Los Angeles. Then we'll head on down to Phoenix. And then we'll shoot on through El Paso up to Dallas. So we'll see which connection. Well, hello. This here is Chico. It's actually Anita, but real close to Chico, California. Next stop is Sacramento. Yeah, we made it to Sacramento, California. It's just one humongous fucking yard. I think it's Roseville, but it's a big fucking yard. Alright, I'm out of here. I'm off this mother. Alright, it's gonna be Cribby and Roseville Foothills. And that is the spot to get the hell out of here.